Good morning, guys. And today we are at Speed Motorrad, which is the Lucknow dealership of the BMW Motorrad brand. And today we are here for the GS experience in Lucknow. Let me show you the dealership first. That's the entrance. We have placed one of the S1000RR over here. There's one more S1000RR. I think it's a customer motorcycle, which is why I do not touch. That's the team over here. So now let me show you the whole motorcycles which are inside the showroom. Apparently all of the 1250s, the XRs have been sold out except for this F900, I think, which is also a demo bike, hopefully which will be sold out soon. This is the ride and style section, and let me show you how and what all things are here. So here's the Speed jacket. Then there is the Enduro Guard jacket, and then there is the Venture Shell jacket. There's some more display over there, and now move towards the R90. They also have a setup area. Oh, I see myself over here. And then there is the service center, which is behind over here. So here are all the motorcycles which get serviced. Yeah. So that's the service bay. I think one of the big bays for the big motorcycles and two regular ones for the small motorcycles. Let me show you the rest of the part. One great piece of luggage is this, which is the kit bag. And why it is important? Because it keeps your riding gear safe, especially when you are going out on a ride. And this is a box that goes inside one of the systems. It gets placed from this side. Okay. And then there is this nice wall which has all the other accessories. So you see the medical kit, the puncture repair system, blocking systems, etc. And some alloys, some guards and exhausts. These are some of the lifestyle updates over here, and a jacket. So yes, that's how the whole setup is. Speed Motorrad is the only dealership in the whole Uttar Pradesh region, UP region, and they have a mix of all the big bikes and the small bikes. And I think they are selling some good numbers of the small bikes as well. So hopefully they will be able to do some great work. The riders are coming in, and it's 7 o'clock right now. What we are going to do now is we'll be riding together to the venue. So we have asked all of the participants to join us at the showroom, and then we'll ride to the training arena. And from there, we'll start all of our exercises, and that will be the beginning of the day over here. We'll be taking a couple of breaks and a lunch, and then hopefully we'll be able to wrap up by 4:30 today. And yeah, that's the flow of the day. So today we are going to train somewhere around 10 to 12 riders, and I hope they'll enjoy. Hi, so we are right now here from the track and we are doing enduro steering exercise. All of the participants have done the regular enduro steering. Now we are doing staggered enduro steering so that they can up their game. All of the participants are here waiting for their turns, and that's how we are going to roll the day. After this, we'll be doing the next exercise, which is riding in circle with full steering log, parallel logs over there, hill climb and descent over there, and then braking exercise in between. So that's how we are going to plan the day. Hopefully they'll enjoy, and they will be making good use of their motorcycles. Keep looking ahead. Well done. So now we are doing rut riding, replacement of parallel log exercise, and the participants are going from here. So we are halfway through all of our exercises. The next set of exercises are over there, which I will talk about later. So see you guys. So this is the incline and decline exercise. We finished the stall and recovery process. Now we are doing incline and decline. Yes, successfully completed. Next person. After the training, we were enjoying everything, and then suddenly the rain started pouring. Look, what is the situation of the track right now? I can't even focus. Sorry. Yes. The day spent well. So see you in another city very soon.